Good day, folks. I brought out the homemade classifier. Let's see if we find some gold. Hope you enjoy. We're going to use the classifier in the sled as more of a filling station today, and then I'm going to bucket out of this and then walk it down. We got a little ditch here. I can fill some tailings in right there. So this is why I'm bucketing everything, because if I pull on this, it doesn't move. This thing probably weighs about 500 pounds. All right, here's the last of the 6th bucket. I'm not even halfway through that sled yet, but let's do a clean out and just make sure that we're on gold. So that's it, just 4 little bits from 6 buckets. I'm gonna run the rest of the sled, and if it's not working out, if the gold's not that great, then we're gonna pivot. We're gonna do something else. So that's the last bucket. That makes 13 buckets out of this. Those are 3.5 gallons. So 3 1/4 gallons each times 13. Here's the tailings pile. So I'm gonna go do the final cleanup for the sled and see if I continue, if it's even worth it. If not, probably gonna head that way. Okay, so we got about 12 colors, small pieces. So we're gonna move. I'm getting kind of bored too. I feel like I'm just sitting on a rock, scooping out of buckets constantly. Let's go try something else. I'm getting a signal right here. I'm not too good with a metal detector. Let's see what happens. All right, I just pulled this thing out of here, whatever this is. Let's see if there's anything else in that hole. Nope, that's it. Okay, let's go wash this off. I don't know what the heck this thing is. I think it's an old nail stuck to something. Piece of quartz. There it is. Bunch of junk. A little nail type hitch pin thing. I don't know. Getting a good signal down in this crack. Trying to get whatever's in here out. Wild goose chase. The detector's going crazy right here though. And I've never heard it make that noise, so hopefully it's a piece of gold. Except this crack, I can't see what I'm doing. And it's like all bedrock on bedrock. There's something in there that's round on the top. I think it's a coin. I think it's like stuck in the crack. I can feel something that's like rounded over with my fingertips. It's like a boat. I'm gonna bail all the water out of here so I can see it. Hopefully. I'm getting down there. Where the heck was it? Right here. I gotta get more water out. Huh. Let's see if it's still in there. Did I just scoop it out of there? Yeah. Okay. Sorry, folks. I have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, I just went and grabbed the homemade Super Sucker bottle, so see if we can get the rest of this water out. Right there. I see it. Hopefully you can see that. That's the edge of a coin. I think that's silver. Alright, I'm going to turn off the camera and try to dig that out of there. It's like, that thing is wedged in that crack. And you know what's funny is there's a stone wall right here. This property is real old. This is land that I can be on. But I wonder how long that thing's been in there. I'm sure hoping that's not a nickel. Oh, that might have been it. Oh yeah, we're getting to it. There it is. What the heck? It's a nickel. That's funny. Is it a war nickel? 1939. So it is not a war nickel. A war nickel would be between 1942 and 1945. Oh well. Alright, I got the gold trap set up again. I'm gonna run it rage and try to move a lot of material. And over here, I just kind of want to dig around where the bedrock is, dig down, get into some gravels in a couple different areas. Here's the bedrock right there. I'm gonna go do a clean out. Well, I got 3 fly poops from digging this hole and running it. So that's not worth it. Deer in the headlights. It's raining, and I have no idea what we're doing today, but we're gonna do something. All right, traveling lighter. We're gonna go out and clean up some bedrock cracks. Fly poops. Ooh. There we go. Oh, 3 little tiny pieces. Hey, hey, hey. Look at that pocket. All right, that thing's completely cleaned out. There's stuff in the pan and stuff in the bucket. I'm gonna go through this stuff and then get out of here. I'm wet. So there's 3 little pieces and a flake. It has some more of that purplish rusty color on it. Kind of neat. It looks like a war zone. But the flip-flops are on. Here's the gold. And I'm not sure how many more times I'm going to dig that bedrock area because this isn't really much of a yield for the amount of time that I spent there. So I'm starting to get to a point where I've been mining that same area that you just saw for probably about 4, maybe 4.5 months, whatever it's been. It's starting to dry up a little bit. I'm not really finding much gold there anymore. I will be going back to that bedrock area a couple more times just to turn over some rocks and look at a couple things that have been sticking out that I have not gotten to yet. But either way, I'm looking to go prospecting and then find a new place to mine. Hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you on the next one. Be well.
What up?